properly use your booty band. Booty bands are meant for the glutes. So here's what I see a lot of. You're not going to unsee this once I show you this. Is allowing the knees to come in and medial rotating from that femur, right? When you do that, that turns off here. So teachers, instructors, I want you to cue your class to push into the band before they even start. Set their shoulder blades up, back and down, engage that core, and push into that band as they squat and lower down, right? If this band is too strong, you'll know it because they can't help it but turn in, and they're going to need a lighter band. So have options as far as that goes, right? Even these are total winners, right? So when you sit in, down. If you're going to walk, keep pushing into that band, right? If you're going to lunge, make sure it's a band that you can stay true to that form, because I don't want to see this, and I do. Got it? Oh, why can't I do this?